Morning, good afternoon, grand rising, whichever that you do. How y'all doing today? Just hanging out right now. Fort Lauderdale Beach, over at a friend's. I am about to go down to Nikki Beach and hang out with a couple of friends. It's just really fun down there. I just need some sun, some good food, some drinks, pop the bottle, champagne, a little bit of something. It's time to go? Well, the Uber's here, guys. So this lighting though, let's get the lighting. Lighting is very necessary. You guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. We're headed down to Miami Beach. Let's go. Like, thank God for the reservation, because this is crazy.
Kelly, you want to walk through the parking lot?
Do I want to walk through the parking lot?
This is right there, right?
I mean, we can, but he can't let us out in the middle of the road. I don't think that like, this Uber, can Uber do that?
You just pop through.
But thank God we made a reservation, because I was not expecting it to be this packed, but it's super packed. So we are here. Yeah, we're out here on Nikki Beach. We just got our little area in our section, which is really, really cute. And I'm just excited to relax, eat, turn up, have a good time. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna work with this hat, because this shit. Yep, the hat's in. The hat's in or out, y'all. Is it in or out? Let me know. Let me know. Thank you so much.
Like a little bag, a plastic bag or something. Thank you, because this phone gotta be on ice.
What?
Child, it's so ridiculous. It ain't even funny. I want to video of this.
All right, y'all. It's hot. It's hot as hell. We only been out here a few minutes, but it's like, it's hot as fuck. Woo! Am I sweating? Am I sweating? I'm gonna sweat my hair and makeup off before we even get the food. I'm sweating in between my thighs now. Oh!
Girl, I'm done. Did you? I'm done. Yo, I can't. That's funny.
Yes. No. It's like in between my boobs. We got in between my boobs. We got boob sweat. Check.
Oh, my boob sweat is there, child.
Boob sweat check.
What island? Freeport.
Let me pop it.
My boy Nico is from there.
Who's Nico?
Nico.
I'm Nico. So I'm talking to
You're
you.
a Nico too? Yeah.
Don't hit me with it.
Don't hit me with it.
Yeah, man.
Are you sure you want to pop it?
That's it.
No.
Do not shake it, because I want to drink it. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'll definitely take a glass of that, please. Thank you. Cheers.
See, madame. In your bag. Let me go look in that screen, okay?
Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Cheers. Woo.
Ready.
Thank you. Ooh, okay. Y'all, I'm so ready to eat this. I'm about to eat this up. I'm telling you right now. So hungry. Oh my God, that was so full. I'm super full now. That was delicious though. It was. Shout out to Karis.
Hey.
Look at this guy.
Oh.
Simone.
Right.
All right, we're gonna take shots now. Casamigos, you ready?
Hold on. Put it up.
I need some Florida money.
All right, one.
That's why I'm here, for the money.
Cheers.
Tequila's gonna get me money. Let's do it.
Ah.
Oh,
Watermelon's like the best chaser.
We know what we're doing. I'm the only one that
Yo,
doesn't
Nick.
take it.
Nick!
Where he at?
Where is Nick?
Oh, Nick? Nick.
Yeah, his name is Nick.
Yo, Nick!
Where he
Oh
at?
my God, this watermelon is so good.
Can I get one of the pineapples?
Yeah, I'm definitely hiring that guy. He's a fucking people person. Meeting everybody in the whole place.
He gotta talk to a lot of people.
Yeah.
I kept on coming. And I woke up at 5.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Oh. Hey.
Hey guys, hanging out on the beach. Nikki Beach.
It's my beach.
Yeah, it's crazy hot out here though. That's why I had my hair up,
It's gonna be
because it
hot.
was so damn hot. I mean, that's what we would prefer versus it being rainy.
Oh yeah.
But when it rained, it did cool down a little bit. Y'all felt that, right?
Yeah, I did. I felt like one breeze. Yeah, that weed smells.
I was about to say, it smells good as hell. Y'all smell that? Y'all smell that?
Oh, it does. It smells a lot.
It smells delicious.
Good.
They already got a group, a WhatsApp group for that boat party.
Oh shit.
Wait, already?
He don't waste no time.
So when is it? When do you want to do it?
I think they're gonna do it Saturday.
Next Saturday.
Yeah, next Saturday.
Okay.
Wait,
Or
this
Sunday,
Saturday
so-
or next Saturday?
Well, this
26th?
this Saturday.
If I
Well,
don't
I'm
go to
definitely down for
Mexico,
that.
I'm definitely coming.
Oh, it's your birthday.
We have to
It's
get.
my birthday.
But listen,
How old are you turning?
We have to cater
you're gonna have
some.
to wear a better outfit.
Nice.
If you're gonna come in.
We gotta what?
She's gonna have a cute outfit,
You're
Chris.
gonna have to have better outfit.
She's gonna have a cute outfit.
We gotta
Swear.
have better outfits.
Well, we're gonna have a lot of girls on there, so you know there's gonna be a lot of.
We gotta have
He said he
better
called his
outfits.
friend. We had to check him. He called his friend, said
We
we need some
wops.
wops
wops.
for the boat party. And I said what party? And I said what?
What's wops?
He said we need some wops.
It's my birthday. What you think's gonna happen? I'm going out.
Well, yeah, I was about to say she's gonna be looking good. Come on, it's her birthday.
Right?
What do you think?
Those 3 guys.
No, I already peeped Chris.
I
You
know
can't say
you
it all.
already know. Like you can look at someone's Instagram and tell everything about them.
That's
I do
not
it all the
true.
Right, that's not true. You can look at my Instagram and think I'm innocent.
Well, maybe you. Most people you can.
I was about to say my Instagram. I look as confident as I actually am. I actually look better in person.
You actually did.
I look way better in person, actually. So
Yeah.
we're gonna change that though. I have a shoot next week, so
Yeah,
let's
some
hope.
of your Instagram pictures, you look a little cross-eyed. And this one,
Cross-eyed?
now you know.
Now I want to see your Instagram. Let me see.
Did y'all just hear this? We're just a little cross on her fucking Instagram picture.
You're looking at your nose.
Wow.
She's trying to seduce somebody.
Them filters.
Okay. You know what, Chris?
You said the filters.
He said the filters. First of all, I only use one filter, and that's Naomi.
yeah, facts.
That filter just is match.
Snapchat really came through with that Naomi
filter.
filter. They don't have it on Instagram.
I know.
Good.
I'm surprised it's not on Instagram yet, or like something similar.
But Instagram
Nothing.
has
There's
stuff
nothing
on
like
it.
that on
Yeah.
Instagram. There's like Snapchat has way better filters than Instagram.
You're funny. Everybody knows Naomi.
Can we do a tiny video? Just say hi. Hope your ass is getting to the pool party. To the boat party.
I mean, we can't promote nothing looking like this. We study it.
I was about to say, let me get the boobs wet first.
Put a little ice. Get a little ice. Ice works.
Oh, you know what? That
that's
actually
true.
down my
When I had a
back.
bikini company, we used ice.
Do we have glasses here?
I was gonna say,
It's gonna be like 2 seconds. So just like a wave, you don't have to talk. Well, you got a Jamaican accent. You should probably leave.
Welcome, welcome.
Y'all come to the boat party, you know.
Make sure to come at the boat party. That is me.
Y'all come on a yacht. We serve jerk chicken.
We serving jerk chicken?
I had jerk chicken at the party the other night. Everybody said it was good. 2 people came up and said it was some of the best chicken they had.
No, it was good.
It was.
You was good. The food was okay.
The food was good.
You know what it is?
The salmon and the chicken were good, and both of them, the men loved like the charcuterie board that I made, and I made like bruschetta, like a tomato bruschetta and a pesto mushroom bruschetta.
Ooh.
They thought it was amazing. He just thought the food was good. Okay.
Mushroom.
It was really good though.
Very good.
No, I work like I have a event planning company where we do like events, hospitality, and we do like business consulting as well. And I work with this chef called Nola Bites, and she's
all right, guys, we might be able to do this one, Nikki Beach. Hanging out here with a couple of friends. Hey, what's up? They might be at the beach, what is it called? The yacht? They might be at the
yacht party.
We're only gonna have wops at the
You know what? If he keeps saying that, I'm gonna be his fucking ass.
They're probably not invited.
He just learned that, and now he's using it all willy-nilly.
We might have some wops. I'm done with you.
I'm like, what wops?
That image you don't want to portray, you gonna get
This
it.
is the problem with my brain. It's very creative, and I always think of dumb shit. You need it in sales.
Dumb shit.
I train salespeople. Like, you know what it takes to motivate someone that already makes 200 grand?
What does it take?
It's like fucking raising debt. it's the hottest shit out there. They're complacent. They're lazy. Once you make 200 grand, you're making more than
Most people, yeah.
You just get fucking lazy.
Yeah, they get comfortable.
The one guy that's coming, he makes 3 something.
Paso muchas noches pensándote, yo no sé ni cómo, cuándo fue, pero solo sé que yo recordé cómo te lo hacía aquella vez.
Super fun time on the boat right now. Just lit. Shout out to the team.
De mi vida te boté, te boté, te di banda y te solté, yo te solté, al carajo usted se fue.
Yo, Grant, you a fool with this one.